Hey guys, I'm Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. Today my prep item this week is clothing for Danny. I'm going to show you some of the things that I bought over the last couple of weeks. What I've been doing is thinking ahead. We have plenty of clothes for now, but for the wintertime he needs long johns. So I ordered up like 3 sets of long johns, the pants and top, 3 sets. That should go for a couple of winters or so, and he would have long johns. Then I bought socks and underwear and had them stored up. I ordered 2 new pair of overalls from Roundhouse. He loves his Roundhouse. They're USA made. They're beautiful done, and they fit him because he needs the high back. Anybody needs a high back, you know what I'm talking about. He wears his overalls during the winter, and he does sometimes in the summer, but it got so hot this summer that having overalls and a t-shirt was getting too much. So he'll go back to overalls as soon as it starts cooling off because he likes to be able to tote everything with him when he goes. During the summer, when it's so hot, he wears blue jeans. So I ordered 3 new pair of Wrangler blue jeans, and it took a week and a half to get them. The overalls came pretty quick. They were ordered last week, and they came within a week. I was really shocked because I have had to wait on Roundhouse overalls for 2 or 3 weeks, but these came within a week. So that was awesome. So guys, think ahead, be thinking socks, shoes, underwear, long sleeves. The one thing we buy a lot of flannel shirts because you can wear a t-shirt and a flannel shirt, and if it gets too hot, you can take the flannel shirt off. You still have a shirt. So I've ordered him extra t-shirts. He likes the pocket t-shirts, so I usually try to do that for him to have something. If he takes his flannel shirt off, he has a place to put his pocket. I've also ordered some hankies. Okay, lots of people don't think much about hankies. Hankies is a good thing to have in case. We ain't always going to have those cute little Kleenex that you can blow and throw away. Hankies are great for a whole lot of things. Danny likes to wear them sometimes on his head as a bandana around his head, a do-rag, some people call it. You can stick them in your pocket. You can wipe your hands on them. You can blow your nose on them. If you have a cold, there's lots and lots of things that people used to do with hankies. So I'm keeping hankies in there. So that's just a few of the things that this time, that's my prep item this week. Things for Danny for the future. Next time, it's Wanda's. See you guys later. Thank you from Crazy Days.